Hi everyone, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and in this video I'll be showing you how to export class results. This is how you can view and export a CSV file that shows your students' results for a specific lesson. So without further ado, let's get started. Once you have logged into your account, click everything at the top and click Classroom from the left-hand side. From here, choose the class you'd like to export results for. Once inside your lesson planner, click the lesson you'd like to view the results for, and click the blue button on the right that says View Student Results. From here, click the Export button. You have the option to export the results per lesson or per task. If you export the results per lesson, the file will look like this. You'll see the students' names, their progress, their first score time, their best score, and their best score time. If you export the results per task, your file will look like this. This file contains more information. You'll see your students' names, their tasks, their first score time, and the date they completed their first scored attempt. You also see their best score time, and then the date they completed their best score. You also see how many times they attempted the task and their total time. That's it for this video on how to export class results. If you have any questions, please let us know. Happy teaching!
Ellii.